Let's learn how to fix TikTok effects not working. If you're experiencing issues where you don't have the option to add effects, or you can add effects but they don't appear on the video, and you don't know how to fix it, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll learn how to resolve this issue. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app. When you open it, you'll be on the home page, but you need to be on the page where your profile is. You can access this page by clicking on the Profile option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on that page, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on that, a menu with 4 options will pop up, and you need to click on the last one, which is Settings and Privacy. When you click on that, a page with many options will open, and on that page, you need to scroll down. Once you've scrolled down, you'll see an option called Free Up Space, which you need to click on. When you click on that, a page will open where you need to click on the Clear button next to the Cache option and the Downloads option. After you've clicked on those, close TikTok and go to Settings. When Settings is open, you need to click on the General option. When you click on that, a page with several options will open. On that page, you need to click on the iPhone Storage option. When you click on that, a page will open with a list of applications. On that list, you need to find TikTok and click on it. When you click on it, a page will open where you need to click on the option called Offload App. After that is done, you'll have the option to reinstall app in the same place, which you need to click on. Once you've clicked on that option, wait a bit, and you should be able to use the effects. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.